I got a custom canvas to finish, so I need to dig up all my acrylics. Do some kind of wash on the background. Hey, money. $2 bills. Alright, about to start this canvas. Got a light sketch on here of the cat. Try and make this Christmas miracle happen. About to do some stuff in the background real quick and then start on the cat. See if we can't get this thing somewhere. Got my helpers back in town. Try and finish this Kit Kat.
Yeah, meow, meow.
Gonna paint.
Did I pet meow?
And we will get back to this guy now. Try and finish it before Christmas. Here, I'll show you a little bit of this white that I'm doing in here. My technique is that I don't know what I'm doing. And painting fur is quite a task. Doing some of these extra drips and splatters, I really just take acrylic paint and water it down to a consistency that I like, so it's still opaque a little bit, but mainly transparent and watery, so I can do some of these cool drips and other effects that are helping make this piece look a little bit better. It helps balance everything out, in my opinion. Thanks a bunch for checking out this video, it means a ton. Acrylic's not my forte necessarily, so appreciate you checking out me messing around on here, and you know, learning is everything. So more and more and more, hopefully get to paint some more stuff like this. Hit me up if you got any custom canvases you want to get done. Would love to get on a canvas for you as well. Hope you like checking it out. If you get a chance, check out royalstain.com or @royalstain on Instagram. I got a bunch of videos on there. Hop on YouTube, type in Tristan Minton. You'll see a bunch of my videos pop up. All kinds of mediums, all kinds of stuff. Try and keep it new and funky. Funky fresh. Anyway, appreciate it again. Please like, subscribe, follow if you get a chance. Everything helps me. Well, hopefully my buddy digs it. This is not really my strong suit in painting, but thanks for checking out the video as always. Hopefully I'm painting something else next week. Let you guys know.